Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Happy Independence Day. Still burning up hot here in Texas, hoping we get a reprieve, but it doesn't look like we're going to get any anytime soon. So, went out and cut off the heads of my onions that had bolted quite a bit back, guys, and went ahead and let them go to seed. And you can see here all the little black seeds in there. Can you see them? So let me show you what's going on with them. So the little flowers dried up. We let them dry up, and you can see there's about 4 little black seeds in each of these little white flowers. And that, my friends, is what we want. Let me see here. These are the Texas early granos. We will be planting these pretty quick again. So guys, we've made it almost a full 360 year turn, however you want to say it, to planting them in that baby tub or in that baby pool, and then pulling up the little sets or whatever and planting them in the big high tunnel and planting some in the small high tunnel. And we have harvested. They're drying in there. We have been using them. We've used them in some of our canning recipes. We're using them almost daily in our recipes, and we've made it full circle to where now we're getting the seeds out of these, and we're fixing to replant again for the fall. And what I want to do is I'm going to broadcast spread these like I did these plants around August of last year. They came up into little bulbs, and then I pulled them up individually and I went and planted. I'm probably going to end up getting several hundred of these little seeds, which I am very excited about. Seed saving is very important right now, and we plan on growing quite a few onions. There's a couple of things that we try to grow as often as we can, weather permitting, and that is onions and garlic, celery, and carrots. So it's getting that time of year where we're going to be planting all of that again to grow through the fall and through the winter. So I'm happy to get these little onions, and I was quite surprised, guys, whenever I planted these prior, to see that the seeds were as big as they are. So if you don't want to grow in a baby pool, guys, and your garden is going to be a little bit smaller, you're going to grow in containers, you can use one of these trays. These work great as well. Just fill them with soil, do a little bit of broadcast spread, and you want to keep it damp and moist. We chose the baby pool method because last year we grew about 200 onions. Can you grow 200 onions in this? Most likely, but you're going to have to plant them pretty quick. And I think I started my seeds in August of last year, and they grew through the fall in the high tunnel, and I think we planted them in January. I believe we planted them in January, and we got a beautiful harvest in them. And then even the ones that I did not get out of the baby pool continue to grow. And in fact, these heads right here that I harvested came from ones that we left in that baby pool. And we got some nice sized onions from there, but I did periodically go through the pool and plant them sporadically through both high tunnels. Except for the big high tunnel, I did do a complete row, and you may remember that from a previous video. Look at those beautiful seeds. This was August 29th last year. So harvesting your own seeds, there are various reasons why you want to do this. First off, you want to make sure that you have seeds to plant and food to grow. But for every year that you harvest seeds from your garden and from your environment, they get a little bit more hardy, a little bit more acclimated to your environment, to the soil, to your weather, and they tend to do better and better each year. So you want to make sure and buy non-GMO heirloom variety seeds so that you're able to harvest your own seeds and plant them each and every year, where they'll get hardier and hardier. Isn't that beautiful? So some of these are a little green. I'm going to need to let sit out a little bit longer. I can get some of them, but there's others that need to dry out a little bit more. Thank you for taking the time to stop by our channel and watch how we're harvesting our onion seeds. And we'll be doing a video soon on our fall gardening, which is coming up pretty quick. I did already get my seeds on order, and I'll show you what I got as soon as it comes in. I did choose to go with Everwild this time around, and I'll tell you more about that seed whenever they come in, and I'll show you what I got. But anyway, again, happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July. You guys be safe. Be safe. People were shooting fireworks again last night, and so we were up all hours of the night. But be completely safe, and may God bless America, and may God bless each and every one of you. Love you. See you soon.